Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you. I was contacted by Craftease to do one of their, to do one of their paint by numbers, an unboxing to show you guys their product. So I wanted to go ahead and get it unboxed and show you guys what I picked. They had me pick one of them and they sent it to me. It arrived in perfect condition. Didn't take that long either. And I absolutely love what we picked. I actually had my son help me pick one out. So when you open it, and I'm sorry about the shadow, I'm having to film in a different spot. So I want to show you guys their website. So on the top, you can see their canvas, and then inside the box, I'm going to set the canvas in a chair real quick. So inside the box, you've got your legend right here, your key, and you can see the picture that we chose. I absolutely love this picture. And then you've got a black and white that shows you what the canvas looks like. We've got a thank you card in here from them as well. You've got a pack of brushes in here, which is great. Usually you only get like a couple of brushes, but this company sends you a whole pack. You've got a board here that you can put together. It's like a piece of cardboard. You can put it together and put your paints in it so it holds your paints up for you. And then right here are all of the little paint bottles, and they do have the numbers on them. Some of them are upside down, but they do have the numbers on them so that you know which one to go with. You just have to match the number on the legend, and it will tell you, I think those are the numbers on the canvas. So yeah. And I don't know if they've got these in there. I'm not exactly sure what they are for. Might be to hang the canvas, because I did get, okay, and then you've got some more brushes in here, but also you have the hanging, the little hanging things for it. And then you've got a stick here. And let's see, I think that's it. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so, and the paints are like vacuum sealed, so that's pretty neat. All right, and then with the canvas, you've got, I'm going to set it sideways since it is so big. It is really big. It is a really nice canvas. I chose to get one that was mounted already. You do have the option, so you can see it is mounted on a frame. And like I said, it arrived in perfect order. There were no holes or anything, and the box came and there were no holes in the box or anything like that. So it was really good. And then yeah, you just, you can see there are some spots that have really tiny numbers. So that's why they give you such a variety of the paintbrushes. And what I thought was really neat, I'm going to lift up the camera a little bit. If you look right here, you can turn the box into an easel so it will hold up your painting for you. So you don't even have to have an easel to do this. If you get the one that's mounted, you don't even have to have an easel. You can just use the box. So I thought that was really neat. And it shows right here. You can go there for guides on how to do the painting, and it does tell you, sorry about that glare, but it does show you how to start and to what to keep in mind. Okay, now I'm going to move the box out of the way. I'm going to move the lid down. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys their website. So I'm going to shift the camera. And I'm going to lift you up so you can see their website. And let's see if we can get a little bit closer. There we go. So this is their website. And as you can see up here, you've got the paint by numbers. You've got diamond paintings here. And when you scroll, well, my mouse is very touchy. When you scroll over it, you can see you've got an exclusive series, you've got classics, you can choose all of them, you've got accessories, and then you've got the how-to guide. They also have diamond painting kits as well. You've got by category, you've got a custom, you've even got their sale. So then, if you scroll down, you can see some of the paint by numbers here. And we're going to scroll up right there. So you can see the different jellyfish ones. They also have some skull ones I thought were really nice looking. And, you know, they've got a good variety. And the prices aren't bad at all. For the size that you're getting and for having it mounted on some of them, it's pretty good. And I believe up at the top here, you can switch, right there, you can switch your currency. So you can pick which currency is yours. So you can change it to Canadian, you can change it to US, and there's a bunch of other ones in there as well. So it's a really, really easy website to get around, and they do have quite a bit of selection. So that is it. I will leave their website link in the description box below, and that way you guys can go check them out and see if you like any of them. And I'm pretty sure they ship worldwide. So go ahead, check them out, and see what you can find. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.